this video, we will learn about a knowledge check. A knowledge check is a great thing to put into your learning materials folder because it won't show up in your gradebook, but provides a general consensus of what the students know. And it's also anonymous so that students feel comfortable in sharing honestly and openly how they feel. So it's really a gauge of what students know. To add the knowledge check, I'm going to locate any of these faint gray lines and click on one of them when it turns purple. And I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Then I'm going to click on Create. Now, knowledge checks are only available in documents, so I then need to click on Document, and I will go ahead and title this Knowledge Check. And once I have my title, what I then want to do is click on this white space here. And then what I want to do is where it says hidden from students, I want to click on the word hidden and then make it visible to students. Now, when I am done with both the titling and the visibility, I then want to come to the middle and then select knowledge check. Once I've selected knowledge check, the first thing that I need to do is where I see question text in this box here, I click on the word enter and I can say, what is the main idea? Now note, this is one use of the knowledge check. The knowledge check is very versatile. It can be used to ask students for a specific quote from a specific page. It can be used to recall knowledge from a textbook. So it's really whatever best suits what you're looking for. This is one idea. Once I have my question, where it says set up the options, these are my answer choices. And you'll notice here 2 boxes. I'm going to click on the first box where I see enter. I'm going to click here and say balance, diet, and exercise. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click in the next box where I see enter and say eat hot dogs all day. And then when I want a third choice, I look for where it says add option and I click on either of the words and it gives me a third box. You can repeat this too as many times as needed and I can click on enter option or enter again and then I can say none of the above. Once I have all my answer choices, I need to go to the correct answer, and then I need to take my mouse to the left of the correct answer and click on this box here. This lets Blackboard know that this is the correct answer. In all knowledge checks, there is default feedback. You have the ability to change this default feedback by clicking in either box. So for example, in the incorrect answer feedback box, I can delete this and say rewatch minute 5 through 7. You can repeat that same step for the correct answer feedback as well. And when I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and click on save. Note you can add knowledge checks to existing videos on documents, or you can go ahead and add knowledge checks to existing documents that might contain readings as well. This is how you create a knowledge check. And then your very last step is to make sure that you click save and to save all those changes. And this was what will appear. This box that is highlighted here won't appear to students, just you. That's how to make a knowledge check. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.